Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use free internet on your Jio SIM or any other SIM. First of all, I will show you that my internet pack has expired. You can see my plan has expired, and I will show you my internet isn't working. So you can see now you have to download an application Your Freedom from Google Play. After that you have to do some settings. I have shown my settings on the previous video, you can check it. After that you have to click the start connection button. You have to wait some seconds. After that it will automatically get connected. So you can see this VPN has connected. Now I will try to send the message. So you can see the message has sent it. So this is the way how you can use your freedom to enjoy free internet data on any SIM, whether you have the internet pack or not. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any problem, please comment below.